If you take a look at my profile, and you will see it on your profile once you set up a TikTok account, you will see what looks like a little ribbon off to the right of the edit profile and your social media sites that are external. If you tap on that, you can see any and all of your favorites that are there. Now, what you do when you want to add a video, a sound, or music, or effects, you add them to your favorites. So if I go to mine, I can take a look, and I haven't added any videos to my favorites yet. But I can go ahead and I can add hashtags to my favorite, I can add sounds, and I can add effects so that I can use these at any time whenever I create a video. Now, favorites by default are set up for you and you alone. You are the only one that's going to be able to see this. So if I go to my home page and take a look at this user, I am not able to see her favorites at all. Now, I can see her likes, but she has set them to private, and you do have that option on your personal profile to be able to do that. But if I check down through any and all of these, I am not going to find any evidence of favorites. Favorites from the standpoint of you as a personal account or as a business account allow you to be able to set up videos, songs and sounds, hashtags and effects that work for you. If you have a song or sound or effects that work or that you have a favorite of, you can set those up and reuse them at your discretion. Now, for business owners and for persons who want to set up their TikTok account so that they have a massive following, hashtags are going to be the thing for you to go. And you can set up your favorite list of hashtags so that you will always have them and always be able to see how things are trending on each one of these and see what video content is able to attach itself to, well, the hashtags. But favorites are there for you to curate video, sounds, hashtags, and effects that you enjoy, and they are private. Only you can see them.